Passaremos agora para a bateria Jazz Final Solo Feminino Júnior, de Fernando de la Moura, Paraguai, Academia de Dança Elizabeth Vinader, com a coreografia Push the Button, do coreógrafo David Nunes, e a solista Valentina Abigail Insfran Gonçalves. No palco, Academia de Dança Elizabeth Vinader.
Now there's something about good loving that all you ladies should know. If you wanna light your man on fire, you gotta start it real slow. Keep on turning up the voltage till that man begin to glow, like you're switching on a light bulb. Watch the juice begin to flow.